Good morning, grade 5. Welcome back to grade 5 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? So, we have come to the end of chapter 8, metric measures. Today, we'll see the questions from revision station in your textbook. So, this is in page number 137. All of you please take the page. Let's move on to the first question. Let me read the question to you. Choose the appropriate measurement. One has been done for you. So the first one, a book weighs 250 kilogram or 250 gram. And the answer is already shown there. It is 250 gram. All of us know that a book will not weigh 250 kilogram. So it must be somewhere about 250 gram. So similarly, so you have to choose the possibly correct choices for each of the questions given here. Let's see each of the questions one by one. Question B. A pair of hair clips weigh about 5 gram or 5 kilogram. Which one do you think is the correct choice? A pair of hair clips, just a couple of hair clips. Would it weigh 5 gram or 5 kilogram? The possibly correct choice is 5 gram. So let's tick that option. So it is 5 gram chosen here. Question C. Arjun drinks 3 kiloliter or 300 milliliter of milk every day. So you all might have seen milk packets when you buy milk in your home. So the milk packets may be 500 milliliter or 1 liter in capacity. So 3 kiloliters. Kilo means 1000. So kiloliter means 1000 liters. 3 kiloliters means 3000 liters. So do you think Arjun drinks 3000 liters of milk every day? No. So the possibly correct choice is 300 milliliter. Now the next one, a pen is about 15 meter or 15 centimeter long. So which one do you think is the correct choice, 15 meter or 15 centimeter? You all are using rulers. You might be using a 15 centimeter ruler or a 30 centimeter ruler. So you have an idea how much is 15 centimeter, and your pen must be of somewhat the same length as that of your ruler. So it would be 15 centimeter. Now let's tick that option. Now question E. The capacity of a water tank is 100 kiloliters or 100 milliliters. So you all have seen water tanks. Those are big tanks where we store water for different uses. 100 milliliter. What is the capacity of your water bottle? It might be somewhere around 500 milliliter or 1 liter or even 2 liters. So you have an idea about 100 milliliter, how much it is. Kiloliters means 1000 liters. That's a lot of water. So the capacity of a water tank might be 100 kiloliters. So let's take that option. Now F. 1250 liters is equal to 1.25 kiloliters or 12.5 kiloliters. So how do you convert between liters and kiloliters? You know, 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. So you can say 1 liter is equal to 1 by thousands of a kiloliter. So if it is 1250 liters, it would be equal to 1 by thousands of 1250 liters. That is equal to 1250 divided by 1000, which is equal to 1.25 kiloliters. So let's take the correct choice here. It is 1.25 kiloliters. Now 950 centimeter when written as decameters is 0.95 decameter or 0.095 decameter. So what is a centimeter? Centimeter is 1 by 100th of a meter. And what about a decameter? Decameter means 10 meters. So how do you convert between centimeters and decameters? See, we know 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 of a meter. So we can write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now what about a decameter? A decameter is equal to 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters. Or you can write that is equal to 10 into 1 meter. Now let's replace this 1 meter with this 100 centimeter because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So this we can rewrite as 10 into 100 centimeters, which is equal to 1000 centimeters. So we can write 1 decameter is equal to 1000 centimeters, or 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 decameter. So we have got 950 centimeter, which we have to convert into decameters. So 950 centimeter will be equal to 950 divided by 1000 decameter. And what is 950 divided by 1000? That is equal to 0.95 decameters. So which is the correct choice here? 0.95 decameters. Let's take the correct choice here. It is 0.95 decameters. Now see the next question. Madam carries a suitcase that weighs 12.35 kilogram and a bag that weighs 5.28 kilogram. What is the total weight he is carrying? So what is given in the question? The weight of a suitcase is there and the weight of a bag is also given. You have to find the combined weight of these two things. The bag of the weight plus the bag of the suitcase. That is the total weight. Let's see the steps. Weight of the suitcase is equal to 12.35 kilogram. Weight of the bag is equal to 5.28 kilogram. So the total weight will be equal to weight of the suitcase plus weight of the bag, which is 12.35 kilogram plus 5.28 kilogram. Now let's add the measurements. 5 plus 8, that is 13. A carry over 1 here. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. Put the decimal point. 5 plus 2, 7. Then 1 here. You have already learned the addition of decimals in previous chapters. So the answer is the total weight is equal to 17.63 kilogram. Now we'll see the next question. Question number 3. A snail climbs 2 meter 38 centimeter up a wall and slides down 1 meter 15 centimeter. How many millimeters did it climb? So the snail first climbs up. To what distance? It climbs up 2 meter 38 centimeter and then it slides down 1 meter 15 centimeter. So what would be the effective distance? In effect, it would have climbed a distance of 2 meter 38 centimeter minus 1 meter 15 centimeter. And you have to convert the answer into millimeters. So let's see the steps. Distance the snail climbed up is equal to 2 meter 38 centimeter. And the distance it slid down is equal to 1 meter 15 centimeter. Effective distance it climbed is equal to distance it climbed up minus distance it slid down. And that is equal to 2 meter 38 centimeter minus 1 meter 15 centimeter. And now let's do the subtraction of these measurements. So we have written the centimeters, the measurements in centimeters in the centimeter column and the measurements in meters in the meter column. Now let's do the subtraction. 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? It is 3. Now 3 minus 1. It is 2. So now we have got 23 centimeters. Now 2 minus 1. 2 meter minus 1 meter is equal to 1 meter. So what is the effective distance the snail climbed? It is equal to 1 meter 23 centimeter. Now we have got the difference or the effective distance it climbed. We have to convert this into millimeters. So you can write 1 meter 23 centimeter as 100 centimeter plus 23 centimeter. This we are doing for the ease of converting into millimeters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and then we have 23 centimeter. So when you add these two here, 100 123 centimeter. So this is in centimeters, and we know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So 123 centimeters will be equal to 123 into 10 millimeters, which is equal to 1230 millimeters. So this is the distance the snail climbed in effect. Now we'll see the next one. Fourth question. A kangaroo can cover a distance of 15.25 meter in one leap. How many hectometers will it cover in 15 leaps? So the distance it covers in one leap is given. You have to find out how much it will cover in 15 leaps, and you have to change that answer in terms of hectometers. So let's write the steps. Distance covered in one leap is equal to 15.25 meters. So the distance covered in 15 leaps will be equal to 15 times the distance covered in one leap. So there we have 15.25 into 15. So now let's do the multiplication. 5 into 5 is 25. I carry over 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, it is 12 here. I carry over here. 5 into 5, 25 plus 1, it is 26. Again, I carry over. 5 into 1, 5 plus 2, it is 7. Now, 1 5s are 5, 2, 5 and 1. Now, let's add the products. Here it is 5, 7, 8, 12. I carry over 1, 2. So, we have got a product here. Now, where do we put the decimal point? Count the total number of places after the decimal point in the question. So, here we have 2 places or 2 digits after the decimal point. So, where do we put the decimal point in the product? We put the decimal point 2 places to the left from the right. So, what is the answer? Here we have 228.75 meters. So, this is in terms of meters. The distance it covers, the kangaroo covers in 15 leaps. We have to change it in terms of hectometers. And what is a hectometer? A hectometer is equal to 100 meter. Now, how do you change between meters and hectometers? So, if 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter, we can write 1 meter is equal to 1 by 100 hectometers. So, 225.75 meters would be equal to 1 by 100th of 228.75, which is equal to 228.75 by 100. And what is the answer? You have to count the number of zeros in the divisor here. It is 1, 2. So, you have to shift this decimal point 2 places to the left. So, 1, 2. So, it is 2.2875 hectometers. Hope you are clear with this question. Let us move on to the next one. Question number 5. An empty box weighs 2.2 kilogram, 2 books weighing 750 gram each, and a painting weighing 535 gram are kept inside the box. What is the total weight of the box in kilograms? So, what you are given? You are given the weight of an empty box and then the weight of 2 books, and each book will weigh 750 gram, and here 2 books. So, the total weight of 2 books would be equal to 2 into 750 gram. And then you have a painting also, and that painting weighs 535 gram. You have to find out the combined weight or the total weight of all these in terms of kilograms. Now, let's write the steps and see the calculation. Weight of empty box is equal to 2.2 kilogram, and the weight of 2 books is equal to 750 gram. Each book weighs 750 gram. So, that into 2. That is equal to 1500 gram. And 1500 gram, when you divide it by 1000, you get 1.5 kilogram. Why? Because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So, right now, you have got the weight of 2 books in terms of kilogram. Now, weight of painting. What is the weight of the painting? It is equal to 535 gram. Now, how do we change it to kilograms? You have to divide this 535 by 1000 and you get the weight in terms of kilogram. And what is that? It would be equal to 0.535 kilogram. Now, total weight is equal to weight of empty box plus weight of books plus weight of painting. And what is it? 2.2 kilogram, the weight of the empty box, plus 1.5 kilogram, the combined weight of the two books, and 535 gram, which is the weight of the painting. So that would be equal to, see, here we have changed the grams in terms of kilogram in this step. Now let's add up all the weights. Let's do the addition now. 0 plus 0 plus 5, it is 5. Now 0 plus 0 plus 3, 3. 2 plus 5, it is 7, plus 5, 12. You write here, 2 you write here, and 1 you carry over to the next place. So here you have 2 plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4, plus 0. You have 4 itself here. So the combined weight is equal to, or the total weight is equal to 4.235 kilogram. Hope you are clear with this question. Now let's see the next one. Question number 6. A can contains 15 liters of oil. 12.18 liters of oil is used for cooking. How many deciliters of oil is left in the can? So what is given in the question? You have this can of oil and the total quantity of oil is equal to 15 liters. You are going to cook something and you are taking 12.18 liters out of this 15 liters for cooking. You have to find out how much oil is left in the can, and then you have to convert in terms of deciliters. So how do we find out how much oil is left? Let's do the subtraction. 15 minus the quantity of oil used for cooking. Let's see the steps from the data given in the question. Quantity of oil the can had, it was 15 liters. Quantity of oil used for cooking is equal to 12.18 liters. And the quantity of oil left is equal to the quantity of oil the can had minus the quantity of oil used for cooking. So what is it? That is equal to 15 liters minus 12.18 liters. Let's do the subtraction. 15 minus 12.18. Since 50 does not have decimal place, digits after the decimal point, let's put 2 zeros there. Now let's do the subtraction easily. 0 minus 8 we cannot do, so we have to borrow. But here also it is 0, so we are going to the next place. So this becomes 4, this becomes 9, and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 8, it is 2. 9 minus 1, 8. Put the decimal point. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the quantity of oil left? It is equal to 2.82 liters. Now we have to change it in terms of deciliters. Now what is 1 deciliter? 1 deciliter is equal to 1/10th of a liter. So we can write 1 liter is equal to, see, when you cross multiply, 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliters. 2.82 liters will be equal to 2.82 into 10 deciliters. That is, see, there is 1 0 here. So shift this decimal point 1 place to the right. So that is equal to 28.2 deciliters. Hope you are clear with this. Now the last question. Match the following. So this question is about finding out the equivalent measurements of the given measurements. In the left column, you can see some measurements, and in the right side, the equivalent measures in terms of different units are given. Now you have to match each of these measurements with the correct pair. You do this as an activity now. You have to do the calculations very carefully. Please pause this video, finish this exercise and come back. Hope you are done with that question. Now let's see the correct matches. The first question, 0.428 centimeter. 0.428 centimeter is equal to 0.00428 meters. You have converted centimeters to meters. The second one, 0.428 deciliters, and that is equal to 0.0428 liters. Now, question C, 4028 centimeter. It is equal to 40.28 meters. Conversion between centimeter and meter. Now, fourth one, 121 liters. It is equal to 0.121 kiloliters. Conversion between liter and kiloliter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters, or you can say 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 kiloliters. Now the fifth one, 0.121 liters. It is equal to 0.000121 kiloliters. Now the last one, 1.21 liters. It is equal to 0.00121 kiloliters. So we have come to the end of this revision station exercise. I hope you are clear with all the questions we discussed today. We have to go through all the topics we learned in this chapter once again. Go through the conversion table again and again. If you are aware of or if you know the meanings of the words of these units. For example, when you say kilo, it means 1000. When you say deca, it means 10. When you say deci, it means 1 by 10. So get to know the meanings of these words, and it will be very easy for you to remember the units in terms of meter, gram or liters. So that's all for today, children. Please go through all these topics and exercises once again. We'll meet in the next class with a new chapter. Till then,